In your Globe Smart Camera box, you will find the Globe Smart Camera, USB cable and wall adapter, mounting accessories and pin for resetting the camera, and instruction manual. The first step is to download the Globe Suite app from the App Store or Google Play from your mobile device. If prompted, allow Globe Suite to send notifications to your device. Once installed, follow the on-screen instructions to register or log in. Now you can power your device using the provided USB cable or the included AC adapter. We recommend using the supplied AC adapter. The provided cable is 6.5 feet long. So ensure that your mounting location is a suitable distance from your outlet before mounting. You can also use it with an extension cord if needed. Plug in the device, and you should hear a pairing tone. And the red light should start flashing after a few seconds. If not, use the provided pin to reset the device. The reset button is located at the bottom of the camera head. You will hear a beep if done successfully. Remove the screen protector. Now it's time to add the device. There are two installation methods. Option A, Easy Mode. Select Smart Camera from the device type list. Select Advanced Easy Mode. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Wait for the device to connect. You will hear a beeping tone and the light will turn blue. For option B, select Add Device, choose Smart Camera from the device list, select Advanced QR Code. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Once the QR code appears on screen, show your device screen to the camera and hold it steady until you hear a beep and the light will turn blue. Ensure that you have a sufficient Wi-Fi signal in your desired location before mounting the camera. The camera is designed to sit on any flat surface or can be mounted on a wall. Before mounting the camera, ensure the camera can connect to the Wi-Fi. Test by plugging into the desired location and check to ensure it's streaming video on the Globe Suite app. If you do not see a video stream, the Wi-Fi is not strong enough and you will need to find a different spot. Before mounting the camera, please measure the cable along the route where you will be installing it. The length of the cable is 2 meters or 6.5 feet. Use the included mounting bracket to fix the camera to a clean surface. Align and rotate in a clockwise rotation to lock in place. The front of the camera features a 1080p HD resolution lens with night vision, motion detection, and sound detection, as well as an indicator light. On the back, you will find the micro USB adapter. On the side, you will find the built-in microphone and speaker. Underneath the camera head, you will find the micro SD card reader and reset button. Note, this pan-tilt model allows you the freedom to view anywhere around the house. It can pan 355 degrees and tilt from -10 to 75 degrees with a field of view of 100 degrees. To operate, select your smart camera from list of connected devices. To speak from your mobile device to the camera, press the Speak button. To capture screenshots from the live video, press the Screenshot button. And to record video, press the Record button. The pictures and video will be saved automatically to your photo library on your mobile device. For motion and sound detection, click Alarm. Select Enable and choose your sensitivity. Motion detection range for low is 2 meters, medium 4 meters, and high is 6 meters. Sound detection ranges from low to high. Then, when the camera detects motion, it will send a notification to your mobile device. A screenshot is automatically recorded into the app. To access, select Profile, Message Center, Alerts. You will be able to see all alerts here. It is also possible to save the pictures and video to a micro SD card. By inserting into the slot underneath the camera head, you will push until you hear a click. If you plan on using the camera as a security camera, recording 24 hours a day, the micro SD allows you to record for up to 3 days, approximately 16 gigabytes of data. Note that the max capacity for the memory card is 128 gigabytes, approximately 24 days of continuous streaming. The camera can be paired to your other smart devices by creating a smart scene. In this case, we will create a smart scene where your smart bulb will turn on when motion is detected by the camera. First, select Smart Scenes. Then, add condition. Then, your smart camera. Select motion detection from the list of functions. Now that you have set your camera's condition, create an action for the bulb to execute. Then, locate from your list of smart devices the bulb you want to have turn on when motion is detected. Select Power from the functions list and select On. Enter the name of the scene. Create a name that is relevant to the smart scene. Then select an appropriate background image from the available list. Press Save. Now your custom automatic scene is available in the list of smart scenes. Now, when motion is detected by the camera, the smart bulb will turn on. Another example of a smart scene is to have your smart plug turn on when the camera detects motion. Night vision turns on automatically in low light conditions.